here, and I'm coming to you with another teacher tip. So this tip came from one of my new team members, Miss Kim Lowe, and I walked in her room and I saw that she had made her students dividers with file folders, with manila file folders. Great idea. Check this out. Here it is. This is the file folder divider. Yeah, all these years of teaching, and I never thought to do this. But yeah, and the kids love it. They get in real close, you know. So basically, it is two file folders put together and sealed with tape. Here, let me turn it over here. And it's super simple to make. A quick tip, easy, efficient way to make dividers. You already have file folders, I'm sure. You just tape them together and there it is. Easy peasy. Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day and I hope you continue to have a blessed day. Don't forget to share, like, and comment if you're watching this on YouTube. Also, and to subscribe if you're watching on IGTV. Go ahead and follow. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.